Celebrate good times, a journey into English expression. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a joyful and vibrant English phrase, celebrate good times. This expression is more than just words, it's an invitation to joy and celebration. Let's explore its meaning, usage, and the positive energy it brings to conversations. Stay with us to add another exciting phrase to your English vocabulary. Celebrate good times is an expression that encourages celebration and happiness. It's often used when something positive happens, and there's a reason to share joy and success with others. The word celebrate means to acknowledge a significant or happy day or event with a social gathering or enjoyable activity. Good times refers to moments of joy, success, or any positive experiences in life. Interestingly, this phrase was popularized by the hit song, Celebration, by Kool and the Gang, released in 1980. The song's catchy chorus, Celebrate good times, come on, turned it into a global anthem for joy and celebration. Its widespread use in parties, movies, and commercials has made the phrase synonymous with sharing happiness and memorable moments. You can use celebrate good times in various contexts: personal achievements, graduating, getting a new job, or any personal milestone; shared success, winning a team event, celebrating a festival, or any communal joy; encouraging positivity, to uplift someone's spirits or to encourage looking at the bright side of life. Here are a few examples. We just finished our big project. Let's celebrate good times tonight. After such a challenging year, it's important to celebrate good times and cherish the moments of happiness. The phrase, celebrate good times, goes beyond its literal meaning, embodying a culture of positivity and togetherness. It reminds us of the importance of celebrating life's good moments, big or small, and sharing those joys with others. Its simplicity and universality make it a powerful phrase in the English language, resonating with people across different cultures and backgrounds. We hope this video has brightened your day and added a fun, meaningful expression to your English vocabulary. Remember, life is full of reasons to celebrate good times. So, embrace those moments, spread joy, and keep the spirit of celebration alive. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video where we'll explore more fascinating aspects of the English language.